Okay, so here we are. It's Sunday afternoon. Taking the pup to the park. Picked up this GoPro 8 like maybe an hour ago. Charged it up, and we're gonna do a test run. I got the camera on the doggy bag here facing me, and I got the camera I always use on the helmet here. So let's. I don't know. I don't have a lot of gasoline in this bike. I don't have a lot of gasoline on this bike, and that one over there is collecting dust. Oh man, alright. I gotta heal up these wounds. Crashed that bike pretty bad at the park. Hurt myself up there a little bit, but I'm okay. Oh, okay, Sasha. Getting ready to go. It's a one-way street. Like I said, doing a bit of a test. I really don't know what kind of settings I should be running on these cameras, to be honest. So we'll see. Good things to be expected, I'm sure. Afternoon, driving up 17th here. That's a 30 zone. Hey, no barking. Hey, chill. Chill. But yeah, I am also trying to get the pooch here used to riding all over again. It's you know, she's a good girl. I love this dog. She's used to the motorcycles, and I just got to get her used to the longer trips. If I want to go anywhere past the mountains on the west coast, thinking about taking some longer rides. She's not a fan of her sunglasses, but yeah, it'd take a little bit of getting used to, I guess, like anything. Gonna take my dog down that old dirt road. I bet you there's no parking down here, but I can squeeze this bike in just about anywhere. Still gonna let us get in there? Man, how busy could it be at this park? There you go. You got it. Good girl. I think we're ready to go, Sasha. Good girl. Okay, a lot of people love you, Sasha. It's a big day. It's a big day for puppies and bikes. But we're gonna leave early because you keep picking fights. Other kinds of stuff I like. Doing good, Sasha, doing good. You don't like the wind, eh? Well, let's put those glasses back where they belong then. You gotta stop taking them off, Sasha. Here, here. Yeah. Now you can get all up there and in the business. It won't hurt your eyes. I just want you to enjoy it. You probably liked it when I zipped up the bag, right? Well, we can do that. But this is just zipping around town, Sasha. Is it the noise? Something bothering you? Okay. What's up, baby? You don't like the glasses? You don't want them near you? You good? You good? I know you're gonna make your brand new bed all dirty. That's okay though. It's alright. Not the best experience at the park, but we did make it, right? Good girl. It's all good. We're just flying down the hill like it ain't no tang, but a chicken wing. You okay? Everything's okay? You're just pretty wiped out, eh? That was a pretty big adventure, I will admit.